Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain what the dashboard in the tenant portal is and for what purpose we use it. The dashboard is where we can see the inspections graph in the overview and the damages graph showing the numbers of damages detected. We can also see how many inspections are created, how many are completed, and we can filter that data by date to find the inspection details. As you can see here, inspections are performed based on the selected date. We can see how many inspections were performed on that date, how many were completed, and the total count. For example, 8 vehicles inspections were performed. We can also see how many users were added. In this case, 4 users were added. There are a total of 23 sites with 3 administrators and 4 unassigned users. These unassigned users have not been assigned to any site yet. If we scroll down, we can see the inspections in detail. For each date, we can see how many inspections were created, the status of each inspection, whether it was completed or still in review. For example, on November the 7th, 2 inspections are still in review. In this way, the dashboard shows on which date inspections were created and their current status. We also have a damage section. Out of a total 12 inspections, 76 AI damages were detected, and out of those, 1 damage was rejected, and the remaining 76 were AI detected damages. Next is the activity feed. Here we can see which user created an inspection, on which date, and at what time. If any user or site was added on a particular date, that information also appears here. If this portal has any child tenants, we can fetch their data as well. By searching, we can see the child tenant data. If we want, we can also filter to see only the admin or parent tenant data. We can also filter by a specific date to see the data only for that date. So this is how the dashboard works in the tenant portal. Additionally, we can change the language, and based on the selected language, the content will be displayed accordingly. We can also view details for that specific client. Thank you.